Hey guys, my name is Jordan and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I do my wash and go with the Shingling method. I've already washed, deep conditioned, and applied my leave-in in the shower. The leave-in that I used today was the Miche Beauty's Lavish leave-in conditioner, and it was extremely moisturizing. For stylers, I use the Mielle Organics Curling Custard along with the Wetline Xtreme Gel, the blue one. I would highly recommend you guys trying this combo out because it is one of the best ones I have used thus far. So now I'm just taking my spray bottle that I filled with hot water, and I'm going to start by spraying the back section. I like to make sure that my hair is fully drenched in water because it ensures that the products will go on more smoothly, and it also makes my curls pop more once I do apply the gel. Here I'm just showing you guys just how moisturizing the Miche Beauty leave-in conditioner is. I may have put a little too much, but it's okay. Now I'm taking some of the Curling Custard by Mielle Organics and applying that first because it's much more of a moisturizing gel as opposed to the Wetline. So what I like to do with the Wetline is apply some to my hair first from roots to ends, and I smooth that on. So now I'm going to take some more of the Wetline Xtreme Gel, and this is where the shingling starts. You just want to take little pieces of your hair and twirl them around your finger to make more defined curls. You definitely don't have to add more gel if you don't want to. That is totally up to you. So now I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do the rest of my head. I'm just doing the same thing that I did before, applying the Mielle Organics gel first, then the Wetline Xtreme gel, and starting the shingling process. I always take a mirror and check the back of my head to make sure that all the curls are in place. Just a tip that I've learned over the years. So I'm done, and my arms are dead. They're tired. Anyways, this is my second time trying out the Shingling method, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see. Alright, and that's it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you'll know each time I upload a new video. Bye.